Happy birthday, Lito. I wish you have many more birthdays to come and have a good health always. And no more, dumay ako na.
Hi kuya, happy birthday. Pero saan ka mo balik og Dubai? Kay manglaag na punta. Ngadto tag Satwa, mamalitag manok. Tapos ukay-ukay na punta dere sa Satwa. Kauban ni Ate Big. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Tay. Happy 60th birthday. Greetings from the other side of the world. Sana maraming blessings pang dumating sa buhay mo, and of course, more birthdays to come, and continue to be kind and generous to other people. And enjoy mo na ang maraming mga discounts. And good health always. Greet ko na din ng happy birthday ang inaanak kong si Litlet, and sa mga anak ni Anaan na si Nathan and Tanya. Enjoy your birthdays and continue to be good son and daughters sa mga parents ninyo. And more birthdays to come and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Papang. Now that you are officially a citizen of the senior community, ang wish ko sa imo is damo pa nga birthday nga mag-abot and good health sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan. Very important gid kami ara ka nga maintenance. Papa, salamat sa tanan-tanan, sa sakripisyo, sa mga sakripisyo ninyo ni Mama, lalo na kay Letlet sa pag-alaga sa iya while I was away. And sa tuod lang, nag-worry ko kung paano ko matumbasan or mapantayan ang pagpalangga kag pag-alaga nyo kay Letlet. But day goes by, I figured na wala gid sang katumbas ang pagpalangga sang lolo kag lola sa mga apo. I know you will do the same with sa tanan mo nga mga kaapuhan. I'm so grateful nga kamo akong parents. I wouldn't ask for more. I wouldn't trade you with anyone else. You have spoiled us, well, not us, specifically Letlet, in a good way, and you have disciplined her in a way nga daw kung kisa daw siya na ang maging nanay sa akon. Like one time, ara kami sa simbahan, nag-open lang ko sang phone ko, ginakigan niya ko kaya hindi daw pwede kaya ara daw kami sa simbahan, which is good somehow. There's more pa, pero hindi ko na pag-mention. Papa, I know that you are happy sa imong 60th birthday, and I know na happy ka nga nag-serve sa community, and I know proud ka man sa mga achievements nga naabot mo in life in your 60 years. And know that we are so proud of you, and we are always here for you. And kabaluman ko sa mga nakakilala sa imo, you are a good person. Maayo ka gid nga tao. You are a good person with a good heart. Absolutely. Keep it up. Enjoy your birthday. We truly miss you and we love you and Mama. Someday soon, magka-celebrate ta together. Again, tanan-tanan kamo, apat kamo, mag-birthday celebrate together. And hopefully we can stay together for a longer time next time. As your panganay, you can always count on me. And I know that I'm not that very vocal sometimes. I mean, most of the time. But, I love you and Mama so much, and I miss you so much. Hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. To our Kuya Nathan na Pogi, happy birthday, Koy Koy. I wish you more birthdays to come, and I wish your heart's desire. I know you are doing your best at school, and I know you're being a responsible kuya to Tanya, and I know you're being responsible son to nanay and tatay. Keep it up, Palangga. Mami Ning is always here for you. We love you and we miss you, and especially at Litlet, she miss you so much. Hopefully we can celebrate together next time. Enjoy. Happy birthday. To our cutie Tanya, happy birthday. May that God will shower you more blessings as you grow up, and Mami Ning will always be here for you. We love you and we miss you, and hope that we can see you soon. I haven't seen you yet in person. You were not even born when I left, so hopefully we can celebrate together one day there in the Philippines or wherever. We love you. We miss you. Happy birthday, Tanya.
Tanya, happy second birthday. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Sana lumaki ka pang malusog, masunurin, matalino, tulad ni Ate Letlet, tsaka ni Kuya Nathan. And sa kay Kuya Nathan, Kuya, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana maabot mo yung goal mo sa buhay, and stay active sa school and sa sports mo. Proud kami sa inyo ni Ate mo Letlet. Proud kami sa inyo dalawa. And to Ate Letlet, Ate, happy birthday. I miss you. Alam ko hindi ko vocal sa imo. Ate, I miss you. Happy birthday. And proud kami sa mga achievements nyo sa school ni Nathan. Nag-ilogi ko nga sa akon. Halong ka mo dra always ni mama mo sa Canada. See you on your 18th birthday diri sa Pilipinas. Kay Papatoy pa, happy 60th birthday sa imo. I-enjoy mo ng 60 mo, kay may mga discount ka na sa pharmacy, kag sa Jollibee. Hambal ka sa hambal ka sa ako niya, mas gwapo ka sa akong kasi subong adlaw ihatag ko sa imo. Birthday mo man, ikaw na yung pinakagwapo subong. Sa buwas hindi na ako na. Salamat sa pagpadako sa amon sa Matarong. Medlock sa Ginoo. Salamat sa mga guidance niyo sa amon ni Mamang. Naabot ginamon naman nandun sa kabuhi. Happy birthday. Tani tagaan ka pa sang Ginoo sang lawig pa kabuhi. Tagaan ka pa sang Ginoo sang malawig nga pagserbisyo sa gobyerno sa aton nga barangay. Kag tani likay-likay na sa Limon. Kay senior citizen ka na. Kag salamat sa tanan ka. Happy birthday.
Say to Papa Toy.
Papa Toy. Happy birthday, Papa Toy.
We miss you.
I miss you.
We love you.
I love you.
Enjoy your day.
Enjoy your day.
And hope to see you soon here in Dubai again.
Yes.
We miss you so much.
I miss you so much.
We miss you all.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye, 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 bye.
Happy birthday pa. God bless.
God
Enjoy your day.
bless.
At mulang na.
God bless.
Bye-bye. We miss you all.
Happy birthday, our Lottie Boo. I really can't believe na 2 years old ka na. And it feels like only yesterday when you were just a tiny baby. Before, I was Mommy Aunt's little girl pa, pero now, ikaw na ang little baby niya. And I hope that you grow up healthy, kind, and pretty, just like Ate Letlet, obviously. And to our Kuya Nathan, happy 13th birthday. Binata ka na agad, like, no joke. And I honestly can't believe how much you've grown. And feel ko mas tangkad ka na sakon. Pero, you'll forever be the little brother I never had. And I hope that you grow up to be a good guy and always be the same Kuya Nathan we know. And lastly, to my Papa Toy, happy 60th birthday, Pang. I just wanted to say thank you for being the best lolo I could ever ask for. And I will always remember how you would defend me whenever mga cake si Mama Bing sakon, tapos after kay kamo na dalawang mag-away. Pero anyways, thank you good for everything you've done for me, Pang. Thank you for always being there for me and for always supporting me sa tanan-tanan. And especially itong mga times nga ginasugat dulong mo ko sa school every single day without ever complaining. And I know it might have seemed like a small thing, pero it meant so much to me, and I will always and forever be grateful for it. And please, Pang, please take good care of yourself and stay healthy and strong. Kaya gusto ko pa nga makita mo kung ma-achieve ang mga dreams ko in life. Muna di na sagad inom, ha? But anyways, I miss you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you guys again soon. I love you always, and happy birthday liwat sa aton apat. I hope na mag-enjoy ka mo today, and please, padali ko lechon.